Most folks who start a garden do so with little experience, and we learn as we go. Of course, today with the internet, there is an abundance of advice we can pull up on any search engine. Most of the advice is pretty good, it turns out, however, every once in a while some of it goes against our own common sense. If you read any articles on how to grow a vegetable garden or watch any online videos, they always talk about preparing soil, planting growing seedlings, and thinning out the row to help with healthy plants and yields. All good, right? Well, yes and no. Let's talk about how us gardeners feel when we start aborting and thinning out the smaller plants, because it goes against our belief system and the whole concept of giving a person a chance and the cause for freedom and liberty. Recently I read an interesting article online that I'd like to cite as an example of what I am talking about. The article was titled, How to Thin Out Cucumbers by Shelley Frost, Demand Media, published in the San Francisco Chronicle. The article states, plant the cucumber seeds, either in hills or rows. For hills, plant up to 5 seeds in each hill, with a diameter of 1 foot. For rows, plant 1 seed every 6 inches. But then, like all such articles and videos, they tell you to start thinning out the bunch as the plants get going. This is akin to abortion. Here is what this article suggests. Pull all but 2 seedlings from each hill. Thin cucumber plants growing in rows to leave 8 to 12 inches between them. Discard the thin plants. Discard the thin plants. Ouch, how would you like to be discarded? Further, it is the gardener's job to grow the plants, not kill them, as that just sets up a bad precedence. Recently I started a rather large garden, because I have a lot of land and space. Yes, cucumber seeds were chosen to participate in my garden. I planted the seeds, and they all came up, perhaps because I was using quality seeds. Now then, that meant I had to start thinning the plants out almost immediately. Obviously I didn't want to do this simply because I don't like killing my plants. After all, what did those plants ever do to me? So instead of killing them, I scooped them up with all the soil underneath and planted them facing the same direction in another part of the vegetable garden with the proper spacing. Problem solved, and no plants were harmed or killed in the process of making this article. Please alert pet people for the ethical treatment of plants. Thanks sincerely, Lance.